In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change default fonts and size in Google Chrome. Font settings. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are on the main browser window so you can access the menu and settings without any distractions. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser. You will see the three-dot menu icon. Click that icon to open the main Chrome menu. From this menu, click Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page, where you can customize different parts of the browser. On the left side, or within the settings categories depending on your version of Chrome, click Appearance. After you open Appearance, find the option labeled Font Size and click it. This is where you can choose how large or small text appears by default in Chrome. You will usually see several size options, so select the one that feels best for your reading comfort. Keep in mind that this changes the default font size used by Chrome, but some websites may still use their own styles. Even so, this setting is a useful way to improve your overall browsing experience and make text more comfortable to read day to day. That covers everything you need to know.